Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. And right now it's about, it's about 4:41 a.m. And you guys might be wondering, okay Samantha, why on earth are you doing a video at 4:41 a.m.? It's super pitch black outside. There's no sunlight, there's nothing going on. Like, why are you doing a video this late or this early? Well, that's simply because I work full time, so sometimes I get home and I'm pretty tired. So I go to bed, go to sleep, and then wake up sometime in the early morning to do my videos, all right? And secondly, because I added something to my video making equipment that should make it better and should make it better in low light. So you guys might have guessed it, it's this right here. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of this brand new LED lights kit. All right, now this one here is from Newer, and it was recommended to me by Caleb over at DSLR Video Shooter. And if you guys don't know him, then I'll definitely go ahead and put links in the description for his channel. It is a fabric light, and pretty much what that means is like it's just a strip of fabric and it has the LED strips on them. So let's see how it is. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. All right guys, so this is it right here. This is everything that comes in the package. It is quite light. Now this is under $100, $99 to be exact, but the output on this should be really good. It's dimmable. It's a daylight bulb or a daylight temperature LED. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this, see what is inside. And right off the top, you see it has a little strap to carry it. So it's ultra portable, as you can see, very lightweight. Let's just go ahead and take out some of these stuff. First off, we have a adapter. All right, hopefully the cable on this should be pretty long. All right, next up, we're gonna have the second piece for the adapter. All right, then we have the remote. All right, so you can have multiple of these and connect them on a channel. It has up to 4 of them that you can connect together. So that's pretty cool. And it has the power on, dimmer. We'll see how this works. Manual. And this is a little handle. You can screw it in and hold it. I don't think much of you guys are gonna be doing that, but yeah. And it comes with a little separate little flap here. It's pretty cool. And that is it. Holy crap, guys. This is it. Like, it comes with remote for the battery and the bag is empty. Holy crap. All right, so let's just go ahead and see. All right, so this is the little frame. It's gonna be for them, so cool. And it's kind of Velcro together. Oh, it does have Velcro, that's how it holds it up, all right? So we're gonna snap them together and see. All right, so let's just move these to the side for now. Let's put this down here. And we're just gonna make the frame, all right? So let's go ahead and build the frame up. All right, it's just like freaking Legos, guys. We have this little part here that snaps in. All right. This is pretty easy. You just push down on the silver tab here. And all right, and that's it. And then we do this piece. All right, so that's that. And then this is the actual LED strip here. So I guess we go ahead and put that on like so. So I'm doing this without even looking at the instructions, guys. So who knows if I'm doing this correctly, but it seems like it would be this way. Just go ahead. Now on the LED strips themselves, that's what has the soft part for the Velcro. So just go ahead, stick that there. And then this is kind of like the diffuser, I would imagine. Let's go ahead and stick that there along the sides. Yeah. It's pretty simple, right? Freaking simple. It's pretty lightweight. And then here's where you have the output for the AC adapter, all right? Let's go ahead and get that back up. All right, push that in. This is fun. All Alright guys, so take a look. This is with the old softbox setup. Just take a look at how my face is, how the lighting is and everything like that. And then I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's gonna be this new one here. Alright, so let me know in the comment sections if you think it's better or the same. Just let me know your thoughts or your impressions. Alright, so I'm back. Now this actually took me a longer time than I expected because I couldn't get the freaking remote to work. No, I plugged it in, I turned it on, the light came on, and I was like pressing the on off, wasn't working because it was pretty dim. I was trying to adjust the brightness, nothing would work at all. So I was so frustrated, I didn't know what to do. I was looking online, I didn't see anything there. I pretty much went to bed. I was looking on Amazon on another light similar to this one. I was reading through the comments and the review stuff like that. And I kind of figured it out. Once you turn it on, that is immediately when you're supposed to select the channel. No, I didn't know that. So basically what you do to set this thing up, once you plug it in and flip that switch on the panel itself, you're gonna wanna go and hold down on any of these channels that you wanna use it on. So for example, I wanted to use it on channel number 1. So once I turned the switch on, I just went ahead, hold on the power on volume for channel 1 for about 3 seconds, and then you're gonna see the light flash. And once it's flashed, that means it's connected and paired up to, you know, channel 1. So that's pretty much how you link it and get it to turn it on and off. So right now I'm on full brightness. I did think it would be a little bit brighter than this based on all the comments I've been reading, but this is the max brightness right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down and show you guys how low it gets and how bright, you know, there's the difference. So this is at full brightness. I'm just gonna go ahead and lower it right there, and just to show you how fast it, you know, dims up and down. This is at the lowest brightness, so it's up and down to raise the brightness. All right, you can also do left and right as well. So it's left to go down and right to go up. On some models of this, you will have the ability to choose the color temperature. However, this particular one, the temperature is just a standard daylight. I opted not to get something with a by temperature because I think you have actually less output to, like, in terms of brightness if you have a dual temperature LED light setup. So that is it. I'm gonna try to get another light so I can have just like one here and one over here just to kind of balance things out. Right now I have it directly in front of me, so I'm gonna play around with it some more, try to see what's the best angle or what's the best setup. Now, one thing I should say that the con, this is just a standard square. You're not able to like rotate it or anything like that. But I'm pretty sure if you put it on a ball head, you can rotate it and have a good angle. So if you're thinking to get something for product shots or B-rolls, because you can lower and raise the brightness, so that's pretty good. You can get some really nice shadows and stuff like that. So I do like this. I think the brightness is pretty good. Oh, I actually forgot to turn my overhead light on. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn that on. Alright, so it should be pretty bright right now. If it's pretty acceptable, let me know in the comment sections down below so I could just finally be done with trying to figure out this lighting situation, because sometimes it's pretty dark. And yeah, this is pretty much it. That's just my unboxing and initial impressions. If you guys want to check it out, pretty decent light, I must say. It's under $100. Do I think it's worth it? Honestly guys, I think it's a really decent light. The output is good. You guys tell me if it's good. But I think it could have been cheaper because it pretty much all it does is just turn on and, you know, dim. So a little bit more features would be kind of cool. Maybe a dialer, but I mean, it works. The power button works and it's off right now. Yeah, so that's good. But yeah guys, I do hope you guys like this video. If you did, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button down below, and if you feel like being awesome, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. All right guys, so as usual guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is DaKoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.